Hi, and thanks for joining me today at Commwall. Chances are you're watching this video because it was shared with you by your local Commwall sales representative. Let's take a moment and go over who we are, our mission, and very briefly some of the products. We'll go further into depth on those in separate videos. Your Commwall sales representative will send you the correct ones based on your needs and the results of the meeting. If you just stumbled on this video, welcome. And be sure to check out our website right here. You'll be able to see a list of customers and examples of projects where our products have been used for value engineering or to improve the fit and finish of the project. To view all of our products, be sure to jump to this website, which will take you direct to our store. When you're there, take the time to register your company. Designers, architects, builders, and installers will all receive unique, individualized discounts to meet your needs and to help you win more projects. The majority of the people that work at Commwall come from a design background or a construction background. We understand how important it is to save money for your customer whenever possible, but you don't want to water down the design. That's when Commwall becomes the great solution. You're not sure what you need? Our Commwall representatives will work with you on your project to make your vision come to life while focusing on value engineering without sacrificing quality. The majority of the products, unless otherwise listed, are Class A fire rated, or, correctly, a CAN ULC S102. This was important to us because we believe in the safety of everyone, and why not go the extra mile if it doesn't increase the cost? The majority of our products, again unless otherwise noted, are LEED certified, WELL certified, FDA certified, and Air Quality Gold certified with low VOCs. The majority of our products are also Class 0 smoke rated unless otherwise noted. One interesting thing about having a Class A product is that the walls can be put in before the ceiling in a T-bar grid situation without worrying about affecting a return air plenum or a rated return air plenum. This ensures a very beautiful, clean joint between the wall and the T-bar molding. Another advantage of switching over to PVC? Well, let's name a few. My favorite is that all of the products are non-directional, which leads to a lot less waste, with the thermal formed inside and outside corners, which also can be pre-ordered in 6" by 6" by full height for someone who doesn't own a bender. This drastically reduces the amount of material used, and again, because it's hygienic PVC and not a fiberglass product, it's recyclable. It can go into the recycling bin rather than the landfill. All of our adhesive buckets can be placed into recycling bins. But in this particular video, I'm not here to give you all of the details. Your Commwall sales representative will be able to work with you and educate you. Also, you can visit our Commwall YouTube page, which will have a breakdown of all of the products in short, easy to watch videos, delving deeper into the benefits of using PVC products over some of the more traditional ones you may be used to using. It is our mission at Commwall to not only save the customers time and money, but to work closely with our manufacturers to get as close to source with drop shipping available to the contractors or installers. Again, reducing the need for heavy overhead, warehousing, and storage. Anywhere we can save money in today's world is worth it. By passing on these savings, we're helping your customers save money and potentially helping our customers win more projects. Don't forget to visit our website to see a long list of projects where our products have been installed, customers who are currently using our products or listing them as alternates. And again, take the time to visit our online store. When you're here, be sure to register your company. Architects, designers, builders, and installers alike will be given unique, individualized discounts. Architects and designers will also be offered specification credits for projects where this is required. When visiting our online store, installers and contractors will also have access to all of the tools required for high-quality installations. Work with your Commwall sales representative for in-person training and certification, or visit our online classes where we make short videos teaching you the tips and tricks in the industry to ensure that everyone gets a great job. Before I let you go, I want to also mention that we're not just a PVC panel company. We work closely with a lot of recreational facilities offering HDPE or puckboard, as you might be aware of it. We offer mirror or diamond plate, checker plate aluminum, stainless steel in 3 different finishes and 4 different thicknesses for kitchen walls or applications where cleanliness and toughness are paramount. And we also offer a click-together PVC wall system that requires no substrate and can be adhered directly to the studs. These panels are very typical in agriculture, horticulture, grow-up facilities, car washes, anywhere where moisture and mold control is a paramount concern. And for those of you working on healthcare projects or installers, contractors looking to get into healthcare projects, we offer a 2.5 millimeter PVC as the direct competition and alternate to the, we would call it expensive, hard to access, limited inventory products you might be used to seeing. We would be glad to work with you, your customer, your architect, or your designer to have these products specified as an alternate or simply to change specifications. This is a great opportunity to not only save the healthcare system money, but to help extend those budgets to get more done. And at the end of the day, really the only difference between the products is the marketing. We can supply you with all of the documentation required to meet the needs of your healthcare professionals and show them there is an option. The major difference is our path to market. Again, we'll ship direct to your job site, and many times this will be drop shipped from our manufacturer, again reducing the need for warehousing, heavy overhead costs. Instead, we pass these savings on to help everyone. Not sure you like the colors or textures you're seeing? Well, we could print on our sheets. We have a special process with a food-safe, solvent-based ink that is applied at high temperatures. This is very durable, and any image provided to us, 200 dpi or larger, can be printed on the panels. Where extra protection will be required, we also offer an additional clear coat option. These panels can be printed in a pattern, something like brick or a subway tile. You pick the tile color, you pick the grout color. Whatever it is you need, we're here to help you. These can be printed in a pattern that is repeating and gives the appearance of tile or brick or wood, but with the hygienic natures of a truly non-porous, washable, hygienic wall. Outside of that, franchises, designers, we can work with your brand, we can work with your graphic designers. We could create individual, unique panels to really take that drab, clinical backroom that the customer could see and put a design flair to it. But we'll expand more on that in another video. Commwall is Canadian. Commwall employees are Canadian. Our customers are Canadian. And we believe in Canada and supporting Canada's needs. This also means that we have taken time to work closely with Truth and Reconciliation. This allows us to meet the unique requirements of Indigenous projects. We also care about the community. If you're working on a publicly funded project, let your Commwall sales representative know. In many cases, we can assist you. We're here to help whenever we can with our open book policy. A few members at Commwall, including myself, work closely with the Shriners. It is our goal to donate whenever and wherever we can to help these healthcare projects around the world, not just here in Canada. But we also realize there are so many charities and so many places in need. If you or your project are uniquely tied to a charity that requires assistance, let your Commwall sales representative know. We want to give back to the community and we're willing to work with you, whether that be through donations or discounts. In the interest of keeping this video short, I'd like to thank you for your time and again encourage you to visit either our website, listed right here, or jump direct to our store and look at our products. Our Commwall sales representatives, myself, and the entire team at Commwall look forward to exceeding your expectations. Thank you for your time. Please be sure to watch the other videos on our YouTube channel.